Magadi Mure Zimbabwe, standing for Iceberg Gold. Today, Tinamkoma Malvin, broadcaster live Babu Yesu TV. We want to talk about the biometric voters registration. Mkoma Mau, Manutwidi is a BVR.
Oh, thank you for and you
biometric voters registration.
Biometric
Biometric voters registration.
Alright. And biometric voters.
Biometric voters registration.
No. Can I have some more?
Okay.
Alright. What I say about this
biometric voters registration.
Biometric
Biometric voters registration.
Okay, I want to say to people that you go to your bio, to your closest bio for the registration, for this registration which is going on. Go to your
Biometric voters registration.
Yes, and can I speak in short?
Yeah, okay.
And now what man ngokurudzira kuti kwatiri koko ngatingoenda kunovhota.
No, like it's not telling you to vote. Like one thing that will register voter, then to
And it's no register kuma
biometric voters registration. Biometric voters registration.
Biometric